filming, DJ?
Moto time. A place called Evans Creek ORV Park. It's up Highway 165, same highway we were up last weekend. Somebody made a really smart decision and decided to come up here on a Friday. I don't know who that was, but take a look at the parking lot. It's just us. Love it. Private property, no trespassing, owned by Hancock. I don't really like you, Hancock. The last 2 weekends we got screwed. Yeah. So this guy Hancock owns all this land, everything you can see. There's Mt Rainier right there, but everything to the right.
But it's okay, because you can always say you didn't see the sign.
Right, yeah. Instead, I got to put a few more things in your moose bag. How do you feel about that?
Go for it. Whatever.